ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. So we are back again on the same Harahalli road. Beautiful roads, as you can see. We are in the forest range. Along with Ahiraj, there is another rider who's joined us today, Shashi Kiran. So Ahiraj and I are connected on our Parani headsets on the helmet, and I am sure our conversation can also be heard. So yeah, it's a very good thing we did, buying these Parani intercoms, and during the entire trip we keep conversing something or the other, so really handy. So this is actually So this is again headed towards Harahalli, which is after a small town called Maralwadi. So this is again a very active elephant zone. We started at about 6:15 in the morning today, and had a bit of a small breakfast on the way, and now we are headed towards a place called Betta Mugilu. So Betta Mugilu means, Betta in Kannada means a hill, and Mugilu means clouds or the sky. So basically what it translates to is the place where the hill meets the sky, the horizon, so to speak. So that's where we are headed, and as you can see, beautiful winding roads, literally nobody. It's an active forest area as well, and yeah, completely enjoying the ride. We are at about 40, 50, 60 kilometers per hour. Perfect RPM for these machines. So there are two CB350s and my Himalayan. So that's Harahalli Vanyajeevi Valaya. So that means in Kannada that the forest zone has actually started. And I have forgotten to fasten my helmet strap, Ahiraj. ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬನ್ನಿ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ದಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. So beautiful roads, as you can see. So you can see the signs there: go slow, beware of wildlife crossing. I hope we don't run into much of wildlife. I wouldn't mind seeing deer or rabbits, but anything fancier than that will be a bit of a elephants. Exactly. ಹೌದು. So somebody was waving at us from the bus. Nice of them. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಮರಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮುರಿದಾಕಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದರದೇ ಕೆಲಸನ ಇದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ರಾಮ. ಹೌದಾ? So you can see the view here. This is we have almost entered a small trail. These parts are called the Scotland of Karnataka or Tamil Nadu. I'm not sure which one it is, but you can see how this looks amazing. GoPro never does justice to the kind of high definition clarity that the eyes can perceive, the eyes can see. So you will have to take my word for it when I tell you that the reality in front of me is probably 100 times more beautiful than what can be seen on the screen right now. So this is a soft trail actually. It's there are no, I don't see any roads as such here. This is more of a soft trail, which Himesh is more than capable of handling. He loves being here. Ahiraj is anyway, he's an expert at these kind of roads, and I hope to be soon as well. Such beautiful roads. Look at this, look at this, unbelievable. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು? ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹೌದಾ? So Tamil Nadu starts from here. Yeah, so all of this script in front of me, it's all written in Tamil. So we are actually in Tamil Nadu right now. We have crossed the Karnataka border, and oh, look at this, look at this, amazing. So again we are in one of these typical villages. I can I can smell the typical village smell of cow dung, smoke. I am reminded of my visits to my village. This is the exact smell I used to get in my village. The plants, the cow dung, the smoke of something burning. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So we are here in this mesmerizing place, as you can see. So beautiful. There is absolutely nobody except a few passing vehicles every now and then. Not a lot.